Hey there, folks. All right, so the other night, Boxcar Jerry was doing a live stream, and he was working on the roof on a kit he was building. And in that chat, I mentioned some aftermarket stuff that I have, and I'm just gonna do a quick video of the stash of my my roofing stash. So one of the companies I order roofing material from is Bar Mills, and when you do, they put this really handy-dandy kind of guide of, basically, it shows examples of different roofs and kind of goes through, kind of goes over the different type of shingles they offer. You got your wood shakes for roofing and siding, color wooden shakes, and of course there's tar paper and metal roofing. So they add this little supplemental dealio in there. So speaking of Bar Mills, I've used a bunch. So this is one of them I have left in the stash, weathered gray shake style shingles. And if you can see, I don't know how good the camera will, but it's already kind of pre-weathered. So these are really nice. So you don't have to paint them. But what you will do is after you put them on, you'll add some weathering powders or however you want to do it, just to add a little more depth to them. They go on, really easy. See, they're laser cut, pre-colored, easy to apply. They're pre-stained, printed roofing. And so this is the ones from Bar Mills. Like I said, I have another style of these, but I used them all up, I believe. But we'll see when we get down through the stash there. So that's Bar Mills offering. And then I have a assortment from Best Trains. And Jerry, this is that link I sent you. See, they even have rolled tar paper. Look, now you can make this yourself, which I'll show you. I got some construction paper later on in there. But it also has like a guide you can do. It shows the different types. Like your diamond, three tab, shake, slate. So that's the roll paper. But then I just have different types, right? They're self-adhesive. This one is in sand. It's a coarse shake. And then I got some 3-tab, and then some more shakes, but a different color. And then we have 3-tab natural color. And then you'll see here, this was another one, sand color, 3-tab. And then staggered coarse shakes, natural. So, and Best runs deals all the time, and they're not that expensive. They're a few bucks. And this is an example of ones that probably came in a kit. And there's some more Bar Mills stuff. And this is just miscellaneous stuff I got. So one of the things is some kits will come with these guys, which I'll show. So this is like corrugated, and it's just, it's like a, cardboard type thing. But you can also get, and then of course you have to paint this, but you can also get stuff that's actually made out of metal. And this is from Doc Benz. You can just look it up there, but it's Doc Benz. They also have weathering solutions, stuff like that too. So I got that, and then so this is just like corrugated metal, and then also I got some standing seam metal, which is good. You could use this for roofs or sides of a building, like a shack. You can let your imagination run wild on that. But yeah, that's those. And also Casey's Workshop. That's another place. And he also offers pre-colored Now I think with the Casey's Workshop, if I believe, you actually have to glue. They're not self-adhesive. One of these aren't. I forgot which ones, but you just lay down a thin layer of glue, and you glue a section and then you lay it down. On my next build, I'll do a video. I'll add that in there, but yeah, so there's also Casey's Workshop. Now also, like I was saying before, I've made my own tar paper, and that's just getting, cheap, just black construction paper. And just what I did is I took one that came in a kit to measure it out, but I also have this. Some kits will come like generic. This is tar paper. It's supposed to be tar paper roofing, but you have to color it. It just comes on a sheet like that. Some kits, they're not as expensive, right? They're not premium kits. So they just throw stuff like this in there. I mean, some even will throw these in there, right? This, I forgot what kit this came in, but these are shingles too, but it's just thin paper. You can see it's all tangled up, but yeah, so, they'll just come with this. It's like really thin paper. And then, these are a pain. I don't even know why I still have that in there. But, yeah, so that's kind of the different styles. Like I said, for tar paper rough, really, just regular construction paper and just measure it out. Yeah, that's really about it. And then this is the stash box. See, this is an old school Foscale kit. This is the roofing material you got in it. You got a piece of paper with lines on it. You had to cut it out and stuff. But this is more for a guide. I think that's what it said in the kit. Hey, this is, it tells you grab a piece of black construction paper and use this to measure out the size. This is more of a size guide than you would actually use that. But this is like probably one of his first kits in the series. But yeah, that's my roofing stash. Like I said, has when I see stuff on sale, like these were all on sale at one time, you couldn't beat the deal. So I was just like, yeah, we'll go ahead and order it up. And but as I build kits too, like if I see a kit and I'd be like, I wonder, what shingles roofs, because when you're building a kit and you put it on a layout, you're looking down on it, right? So I think, in my opinion, roofing is one of the most important details you can do, because depending on the height of the model railroad, that's kind of the first thing people see sometimes. So yeah, so there you go. Just want to do this quick video for Boxcar Jerry. So yeah, go check out his channel. Come and join the live stream. So it's always a good time. All right, folks, till next time, be kind.